Hello, is fáte hiag na seanslaí mas mar seanslaú glaciad na seanslaí is mu sé hiúmigi le cheada agus forma haircut úr aniu mas féidir I mean ní féidir eáil mar goma caiú na headphones is mó dón so that should actually argam díorchas le a handle le seachtain eile but it's the feeling sin an vibe VAIDHB a lacham higgin pafan is an rud is táhachttaí Tá man seo mar gra le much cólaí le much cairde ar dúsbar man seo le aine bhuiir aine go mar tetu
Le a fearna is tá grista. Bhí me an Willie Clancy an teachtaáte le híal me grom me go brad an céad coppla rationáliú agus tá sé just né a bhúlú tá me absolútlí spíanta briste ach bue bhí sénta. But yeah, ní mar bhhaid. I won't lie.
A chead rud idir mar le aine was, geez, you look wrecked. It was Nero Ain.
Oh my god.
Well, can't feel adil. I mean, wrecked the where Willie. Come on, Shaw Foster, la James O'Flaherty, James Timothy.
Yeah, come on. No, often leads me astray. No, come on. But yeah, well, Thomas Harbor is there seachtain. Surprise, good. This is enough mag start to Hugh. To be honest, you know,
how much clean your father and loan that was in Ross.
Yeah,
I've gotten. See my counselling, I've talked through it. My bra calculatornish, I've compartmentalized. But no cohar just last James Kahimara.
Gorgeous.
Agus nish and bet is in Rotherwine in ish Kahima and ish Glocklesh. Mano cymni gyda shot and couple of shafting on dirt mudge. Dar one dunanal and clear Gamer James. Gansy Donegal cheannacht.
Oh yeah, ní seo ro bhhadu hin beidir caiici seo hin dirt much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm sticking to my guns. Agus béma ag ceannas Gansy Carua inis gan
Sí, sílam go an Carua níos éasci dit. Sílam go sé níos mó like náireach dit Gansy na Gaillimh cheannach.
Well, I think how arm shini anu faster the where batching your man so it's in
deck. So it's a double down. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Agus look like níos an gifá gomocht tú upset an tá faoi anyways mé dúsapá Gansy na Gaillimh agus Gansy Carua tenfold níos de na Gansy Donegal.
Me ceart immediately ceart.
Nílam go mrahan sé. I mean is brad
ní rahan
Gaillimh leis an hook
brand like you know that rosúla agad bés a good gomeo cin Donegal níos fair.
No má tá color palette mad agus cinna dahanna ebrans a chéile tá go ebran maroon spawn agus dar agus dubh bhaní seo le chéile na ebrans buí agus glas.
Sílam go mrahan sé ar skin tone na hairní. Tá meach duine tan gogad arcan buí an jaasarthú. Ach ní arcan buí ita ar gcuoine atá go bán duine.
I mean, Urker cake with jazz tanned the thema.
And look, because you're Gansa and Clark Mai, I get it. He Arkham mine or Chaim and Gansi sin.
Arkham two class, and you know, that's not got any lucky man a shanish.
And look, now you're just trying to make up for it now in age to do good Arkham first.
I'm trying my best. I'm trying. We Jerry shot to get Doc Ratchet in those James. Now, Rovin Lashin was just.
Oh, we said Doc Ratchet, yeah. Especially like Pindini Canus like the ticket that called to the hill. Yeah. Tan hill, Shenlow's an atmosphere look like that's actually unbelievable. Like August, you know, this is a hill queue, but like
it separated us to where you know when Tridge.
Yeah, it's separated them with near Cading good
for Egan.
Sections in the but you know. Ag megan hustle rot is a good heart. Agus I think it dúirt an rátas and correct me if I'm wrong.
I know what you're going to rap.
Rátas. Hill 16 is Galway only, I think.
Yeah.
Been on it rátas bhíán new a chant bhíán new national anthem in the Gaillimh bhíán.
National anthem.
See James
And also I think a national anthem
would be national,
was N7. Was N17 Shannon Rod nervy Jared Cleike Bisha. Do you know if you miss Kanu come my faster? Bisha and Deli Dusa James, because ni hegi to Shaw Cleike. Bisha and Deli Dusa chluiche le slua a canú field of Athan Rai agus bhí sogum sa nachró cadm so ghlachapáirt. Si bhí sin an rud is Jackra a Harla dusa in this sale oma an méid daoine nachlam lo lai agus se oh wait no
the Conor treating the Jora.
Yeah, just to wear an aura though, not to wear and not to wear and glee.
No, see, the tunes ang, the tunes in the Gardavi. So like it's those football chants. It's a gogma. Agus just turning gogzi and cloynish gone seachtain. Yeah, agus can more night or duacha. I'll just give a little to Arduacha and then all good.
That works great in an audio medium, James. And rather than your answer,
no, she's let the people decide. Getting on, man. I'll ring him out again.
I don't know what dig of
Cash homes to this, James. Actually, Suller and I'm not going to explain this in any way. The ending, Ella. Hard to text figure one.
No.
Oh, a piece of him. I knew it.
Wait.
Come on, text on Ikishin, and you want to the back.
Okay, but that's not too bad then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and Jiglum just tosh. Will James like Gragyal or Irion's?
No, not really.
Were my Garthe?
It was like 80%. Like,
yeah. It was definitely in Ryan's anyway. It was the smoking area of Ryan, so it doesn't count.
I guess like funny enough, thinking about hinging eyes. I like to,
No, I'll tell you why. It's because the dirt ma leathche, gal ma leathche, that getting a reminder that it's so nach na Jarmut. And this is inish and reminder. So the Falter Road Strancher, Nelson, you were Mashanim Saki, so no clue.
Okay, so the earn message of Trey show. I get
yes.
it. I get it. Look, again, the Keshachor, Kerry Hostin Corajan. Taylor does Amson that year she Quintana Vera, Huyure, Agus, Rima Jarmut,
Ahanalur.
Yeah.
Got her. And a die Harla shot was Grumaging Steve Steed on pub than Tamer Fod, like Kirk in the Euros, Amber Doigan, Agus and Shin, the tunes Doc Ratchamai in the A Fosta. But to Jerry, I was like, here, listen to Misha, a wad raw hay, and Fairdling, Dulamad Life, air fresh up the Wimage Ma, Agus, Vitus generally at Le Ahananya Awaka to like Ganzi doing the now. Hasty did that Swissy thingy being like, sorry, bro, she was aching clean you. Sorry, just Yakaman score Jerry.
Oh, you're such a dick.
Can't Jerry be in clear or like
Going after the and replay a game and the ball was like, oh my god, Russia should here. Get that.
Yeah, can't Jerry your shin.
Get that hard with it. The he's on their own. Get that hard.
And then just call you daggers or James.
Oh, Vision you roasted that. So in Banch and then Dirkshire James with like a death glare. It was like a proper death glare. Like Dirty like fuck off with that. No, and was really really the era. And then
boy can always turn it around though.
No, but then Hashi Shisha Gaira and she was like, oh, she never even fused in now. It's my housemate, like it has in now. Just good Jishi and Ganzi, whatever. She was just like, I want to fuck with this lad, whatever. And then
not physically, obviously.
Obviously not, no. But but then so then hospital cancelled thing and I got this really weird flashback rud. I don't know, walk from her scale and Cora Vigum still a lad just in now. That was really, really freaky.
Oh yes. Yeah, when you mentioned
basically Hossie Shaw just like knew Muhaj exes are fad and how he knew them in really random ways. And he was just be like, so and Cat can ring check because we share Scoil like in the much exes in the okay. And I was like, okay, that's fair enough. Actually, the major prom like hella, it turned out. We just knew your woman's like hella, better just chance might just get in there and Mr. Jarman there. Agus and Shin, Pasha and new exes Ella Viogum, and he was like, oh yeah, Tattingham's Sir and Bancho, like number and the Tattingham's Sir and Bancho, like like Carla, a housemate or blah blah blah, whatever. And it was like, what is going on?
X.
Literally, I was just like, that, what's in the Dean Sean and I was like, yeah, I shifted them. I know them inside out. It was not ní mar
say it
sin.
like that.
Ní mar sin. Come on, like, come on.
What?
It was freaky. And then Hunty my heart then so Jared Courage and then Hunty my heart, whatever. Agus V James Rag was with a Swiss la coffee in the pawn shop. And I knew. And I knew. Good Jeremy there. Is there stuff? So I was like, you know what? Jeremy to the band shop that I'll try and save this. I'll try and salvage this.
When ní seo an céidir de James Gallintianna nu sé olta dul chuniu le ban an céad eile.
Well, like, you know, it's not if you there's not sometime in future. So
I think le Janie there was the Timani Mesus go bailile clia I gan couple lá.
Do you know there's that? Yeah, that's on me. Yeah, that there's smisha on clownche. I think Tom show there's my Megan. So you know that's there's no
Egan.
Yeah,
it's there
from
it's
now
right there.
Until one of us die. Tasha, okay, could see as long as you know. So but yeah, ni chuma mas fo seke.
That's grand. That's so fine. That's so fine. Listen, it's a piece of crack.
Well, look, yeah, it's a tough one to make out.
Really, who's in the wrong? Who's to say?
Even impression chomásin. I know go sin even home. I know go follow my hain way phone because for some reason no phone
Well, we should just want to rotate that.
James is a leanúint lena an podcréilú ó Instagram seki followers.
Yeah, but chin is oh look, like Nisha got a gaseous podcast shot. There's a hopefully. Yeah, I'm going to spill the beans. Lucy Danvura, right?
Okay.
You like the character Daniel Seki hurt?
No, I mean this makes sense in mo you know. I ring him at Derma that anim la holla ul it dear she home.
Yeah.
Can't have your so we must go gune go Louise. Lucy is my okay. So then like who and what's my name again? It's my Lucinda.
So funny.
Red flag behavior.
It's a fucking red flag behavior. Now we my goal oh he margin as we my keller raw bua. And also about a gala agus more importantly on spawn.
Yeah. Ole.
Yeah, so really. Yeah. But like look, could my love position. Come on, stop have to stop promising the world with my goal because I'm never gonna give it back.
Jean proved my hair in a hue. She God the hue is my hand just look, he doesn't mean it. They're your into
you know what? These massa. That's so much worse.
Imagine
that's so much.
Oh, the reality. These fair.
Imagine going to say bad age, man. I can't stop it. Just go like yeah. He didn't mean that at all. Like I actually do. Like thought intentions, mom. But I just I fuck up.
Look, I've been told Janie knee wing woman might me, so I never said I was perfect.
Well, I mean,
no, I think
James
that's
could single a couple of Blianos and
knew my dad job right away.
Mission is a single a couple of Blianos, Hugh. Tim should just single my whole life.
Full stop.
Full stop. That was it,
Níl mar an ogum le bheith ag obair leis an bhairt.
Wow.
You bring it on yourselves and chronic single life. Yeah, leis an dói ní me chun dul seasta specifics.
Well, Tom was a trial. Tom was a guy so raw Ryans. Tom was a raw lobe Quintana with oring anyways.
I'd say it's mostly this you're not Shane Road. I was making no effort.
I think you Google actually my version.
Google out.
It's not a big deal never hanning. There's actually dully le ma hanning the nigga Hugh could be just flirt on la. Oh, Jacker like an my lesson in a shin go harhe,
Ooh, shot fired.
I mean, it's not a shot if it's true though. Like that. Yeah, that is fair. That like it is.
See, Niveen Ed on dinner Thomas flirt la follow because just there man fuck.
Hello.
Tattoo sexy. So there we go.
See, Nella Sugum Sekindo. Nella Sugum Sekindo to flirt out. I still have no idea. Listen, once
please.
I'm telling you right now, Chluiche is the test of the Kindle Flirtal. I'll let you know. But
Hugh, dóla me se cholarud atá I Arsenal weta.
well, let me and look where that got you, James.
I know. We're on the same path. An leabhar beg a bhéh mo runna faoi do chusexas bhí me se sinna léamh sí man like so shut up.
Yes, tick.
So okay, so this is how you flirt.
And instún faoi Willie week tá gar fel má because Nero signal be agad, so Nero muid really an to eáil ar chluiseáil.
I know. Bhí sé cos le black spot the Vodafone ní ro mai albalta fiú gléachar. So I resorted to the ancient art of Ixolu gra text. I mean, I know, Kate, ní could not an mission. Orint near few heol na gra text ni, cos near chandini an áháin, you know. Like hashtag bob agus ní hoklat bogu trí just lua like fak sé just cos le sweatbox a tíhan. An déon dóig go le ceola cosú na dólatá bob ag a héide gur margin agus de hábla de chaithir aimimsú agus an tún fanat an sin don lá.
Jesus.
Go rihin lei. Yeah, garó de cédín roi. A bhí sé aonanta, bhí glórdíine ó híal na gailge hí san, glórdíine yeah. Cé chuní ó sísan, I suppose tána go ar Kyle agus Nicole iad.
Yeah. Agus bhí I think go during ní lachan hís fast.
Yeah, agus deir for siún, yeah.
Yeah,
glórdíine.
Former guests of the show, friends of the show. So no, they're class. They're like unreal.
Bhí sé aonanta, chas mé mór ceol níor cholí mé mar an agus tá mé absolutely marúnis ach bué. Be cearttíh teachta ag lí jogan.
To be honest, like a black spot gone in data agus if there's a bubble he sounds like kind of my vibe, to be honest.
No, it was so jazz because ní am go arc or the phone ní arc like ní arc
no
shocked in the Clark and it's great. It's like digital detax if I shocked in it.
Yeah, digital detox, but definitely not a alcohol detox. You know, it's probably
but it's not. Near tattoo casa ceol, níl tú binge like tattoo.
Yeah, but ní bhéimiid casa ceol.
I was gonna say yeah, James.
Ní dinner be like messy olta, you know. Adrian journey here.
Challenge accepted.
James gonna Nadogstan or just like old treat in Nadogstan.
Just like a straw. Guys, he has to play a D so that he's able to drink anything. Otherwise, just chucking shamas now. That's the polar thought.
But you know what, bhí sé go maiid because thug sé ar blastom den iireachtas arís. Kind of thug sé, you know, just start.
I don't know. I think
appetizer.
July, it's no time for the O word, folks. There's no time for the O or the C word, folks.
James, I don't think I've ever heard you ever talk about the O word in a heel. I don't know if you've heard the O word.
Oh, I know the word. People that have shared it with me may have not.
Half an O word. Sorry, no, but yeah, no.
Fake O word.
Yeah, fake O word. Jesus Christ. Sorry, Áine. Sorry.
An ihe dhearnach go mission a ihe dheardín agus bhí session agam go homlan trí gailge. A han den chasma leis bas gailta Fort Larige, gailta Chiaríd, agus is just códeastú le sí le chéile Lord Gailge i lár Willie Clancy week ar fa like cuig sé like bhí sé just álim sé cos le ireachtas beag istíthe cúna Westbridge is sráid na carach. Caihí sib teachtam lín joga, definitely.
I'm kind of instructing to know locus here and over. I'm planning it
out.
It's like shin agus like the fla, like you know, get fla more scarca fall. We're gonna make it a thing.
Yeah,
it's gonna be lit.
Bhí couple of now na bhí ag féin na galí bhí tasa goibh Chris Leonard a tal don mach
yes
Keegan bhí sé
yes
ag fólam gailge fi láthair.
Fair play though.
Gana go bhar glórdíine tá hí san, you know.
I'm sure, but like, but we're doing on cracker in those like, okay, that row. I think we're fair like Michigan's James a car snub like the forest in Timbuktu because I'm sure much thingy like crack of the law. So
to be honest, like maybe should like raw like calling your bug Dorocha like 11 a.m. He's going to Claude, like you know, I'll find my way.
I'll find my words.
Sráid na carach just do creite go bí ro se riú hart an cantar sin as a Spanish point.
No.
Oh my god, like an áis de le dul sná sa tír tá sé galanta. Chuin mu just sná imagine hín aimimseir ínta.
No, I don't know, man. But mission
Hey,
did it all again like
a das níos é womanse ón tra agus tá có precious fao dul stas nisce.
How much a four?
Wait, what? No,
I'm green and bhí se ganta.
Sorry, it's Bralum sa dul stas nisce. When have I ever denied a dul stas narge? Linda.
You're conditioned to do aigen sin dirt.
No, they're say gross on is fair like all. I'm like, nah, man, cart fin and dammer bad.
Okay.
Yeah,
but yeah, we should throw on Dodie Russian like so you know that's just biased Russian like, but yeah, we're going to just argue though. I'm still a big wuss like my fucht. Hot tubs though, happy out, you know.
Oh, I know. I'm aware.
Saunas he's in tra, come on.
Yeah.
Saunas are in tra. Oh my god. Okay, I do some configuration. Saunas are in tra.
Is these now to wooden huts?
Oh, that sounds like a vibe.
See,
that's a vibe.
The only problem that sauna
is vibe.
That should haven't you just kinda bored or something like that.
Branch up. Never missed Sekinchen in Berlin agus Nero ending Cayu in Adar Harvey. I wasn't bored in there or Harvey.
Yeah, that was now a problem editing now, but, you know. So like it has a speaker in the show. It's new, like just a wee like I could stay in there for days that look like game or television or something. But
well, do you want tan pubní imilta cos lasanas, so ní gá fiú aige de caiú agus é gladéis le session as tú stís na pubní as pianta vegat. That's a perfect sauna.
What's the nervous too, you know, like being the pub like really tags really, but like Teresh the 6th point, I don't think you go on A-rods ishtacha the herp at all. You know, I think you just like you're at one with the world. So need to te, need to four that you just in this limbo
according to science.
It's factually correct. That's not gonna make even right. Le shorts agus t-shirt agus Teresh and Sheo Pinta ní vetu four cause tá just the blood alcohol like uchianta. That's a fact. And then the opposite
is a fact.
That's like this is scientifically proven. Neil deGrasse Tyson is a shadom. So like, going to the sours, they thought hoodie vert is already set. Then he should Sheo Pinta. You just kind of cool down. Yeah.
I mean, ní higle kjolter furu though because near tatu kasu been to just cur alish.
Yeah. Oh yeah, but that's on, yeah. I thought to actually cut all the chin, so that means that the alcohol foggled the system. I want to do just a more gold. This is when this anomaly occurs.
Yeah, fair. Ní mohim go near him nís like go near him olta near to make us a kjol. Maar
yeah,
in which come with nurchin funny stahan.
Yeah, but the corals.
I mean, all Willied Out now at this stage. So
excuse me.
Yeah, just clarify that. Maybe we'll go Willie Clancy out.
No,
you're not hunting. All Willied Out. I willied too hard last night.
Oh my god!
Willie got the better of me. That urgent rotty could glad it said less than welcome.
Well, Cailín telling us, James. This sounds like exactly like our cup of tea now.
Yeah, as long as it comes down cream with and macadine. And
that Virginia, it's only you. It's only this guy. Anyway, Caibid gur Jerry Shaw because the much fad come much Christa. But Green Mouse certification chance be much rash reach and chat and chugging la agran akaji shin. But the game much lance is filling it amshu Shancy your Instagram, Shancy your Twitter, or Shancy or YouTube. I see the fact that mystery gesture of James the Jenna mentioned these. Maybe you can't be hard waha. Not the guy and you answer the man host the reaching out. But the guy and you answer the man host testing more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, because anywhere or TikTok. You can see the all Willied Out and shin. Was the guy James Amshire and the man hosted there's more flower talk or Instagram, flower talk or Twitter, as flower talk or TikTok. Agus I got that all darnoi all Willied Out faster. Agus met the Gary Mahain Amshire the man hosted them more Hugh Carr your Instagram, Hugh Carr your Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well Einrod Ella gamage flog alnish.
Yeah, Tamaja go díachanish mí a hiúil ón picnic lectra so sílam go sé nám dú.
Holy shit.
Bógra a chur má go mémuid a ras sa fphobagailge a rís muid absolutely delighted by rash a ríis bimmuid an just saharn ag trí chlog so bíán nó bí bhar gearnogi
Yep.
be mu an go bí so yeah tá mu just go mór leis gur mai go radioún lifa is radioáilte éis go mai go fergal.
It's gonna get nasty.
It's
gonna
gonna
get
get nasty.
Nasty. Listen, you think you were all Willied Out and Clancy. Jeez. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Plenty
I'm
more
gonna be
things
all
happening.
tasered out.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Sinead on the Seansálaithe, Gurmaigus, but he's on the church out of him. You can't live, can will. Akaji Shin Salon.
Mom.
Wrong.